Hello, welcome to 9 Design 3D. Let's make some liminal space pool room. First, we have to download our Blender kit for using some materials from there. Go to blenderkit.com and download this add-on zip file. After that, in Blender, edit, preferences, add-ons and install this add-on. Check your Blender kit add-on and log in with your account. You can create a new account. After that, we can use our Blender kit. Add cube, scale in Z-axis and place it. Scale, press Shift Z. When at that, it won't scale in Z-axis. Rotate in Y-axis and set your camera. Your camera's clip ends, you can set it 2000, and for items you can make same thing for view. Shift T to duplicate, R to rotate and place it. Shift T to duplicate again and R to rotate 19 degrees. Place it your back wall. Select your first cube, bottom part of it in tap to edit mode, G to move down. Shift T to duplicate another wall and place it in Z-axis. You can check it with your camera. Shift T to duplicate your bottom part to make your top part of a wall. Make your room like that. Let's add some column. Add cylinder, shade smooth and auto smooth. Scale it. You can place your walls, you can play with it for some liminal backroom type of the looking. Shift it to duplicate your columns and place it to your scene. If you want, you can make wider your area. Let's make pool. Select your cube's top face, I to inset, and G to move where you want, E to extrude in Z-axis down a bit. Let's make some water slide. Add circle in tap to edit mode, E to extrude, E to extrude again, and G to move, shape like the water slide. E to extrude and right click and Alt S to scale. Add loop cut with Ctrl R, E to extrude and right click again and Alt S. Make same thing to the bottom part of it. If you want, you can add your edge lines to Ctrl B to bevel for smoothness. Shift T to duplicate and move in Y-axis. We have 4 water slide now. Let's make big column. We will round it around the stairs. First, add cylinder as in Z-axis. Select top part of face, I to inset. Select a part of it, Shift T to duplicate and P for selection. In edit mode, E to extrude in Z-axis. Don't forget to Ctrl A all transform and set origin to 3D cursor. Add your array modifier to mesh. Select object offset. Add empty plane axis. In array modifier, select your empty. You can decrease your count and R to rotate. G to move in Z-axis, your plane axis. And you can make like spiral stairs. And Alt H for unhide your other cylinder column. And that's it. You can add some top wall of it. Let's make second pool. We will use same method. I to inset, G to move your pool hole, E to extrude down. Our other pool is ready now. Let's make a hole for upstairs. G to move, S to scale, select your top wall and boolean, select your cylinder, Ctrl A to apply modifier, and our hole is ready now. You can make up part of liminal space. Shift E to duplicate your wall for second floor. Now let's add some material. I search in Blender kit with tile and drag and drop to your mesh. In tab to edit mode, A to select all faces, U to unwrap Smart UV project. In shading tab, you can change your tile scale with mapping node. You can add same material for the wall, so choose new material part of it and you can scale how you want now. Format some tiles to the bottom part of mesh. We will make same process, U to unwrap with Smart UV project, select new material and you can scale for match your tiles. We will make same process for all walls. Make same process the other pool part of it. In the UV editing tab, you can match your tiles with other pool part. You can scale in X and Y axis in UV edit tab. Let's add tile material to our column. It can give a bit weird look. For this, in edit mode, select an edge and right click to mark seam. After that, use Smart UV project again. Shift it to duplicate your column and place it to your liminal space. Let's make water, add plane and scale, add ocean modifier, you can change your time count and you can change your wave scale. Add a material, choose glass BSDF, decrease roughness and select your watercolor. It will look like that in cycle render. Shift it to duplicate for other pool. For water slides, we will add some materials. To the others, you can select a new material and change the color. Let's add some window hole, add cube and scale. Shift T to duplicate the cubes. Ctrl J to join them together. Select your wall and add Boolean modifier. As an object, select your cube. Ctrl A to apply modifier and delete your cubes. Our holes are ready now. Make same process for other wall. In Shading tab, go to World section. Add Sky texture. Set your strength. And you can change your sun elevation and sun rotation. If you want, you can make some evening look. For not cause of the light leaks, you can make taller your liminal space. Shift T to duplicate the other walls. And set your camera like that. Let's render image. We will use it for compositing. You can close it. Go to Compositing tab. Check the Use Node. Add Lens Distortion. And add RGB curve. Finally, add a viewer. Plug them each other. Set your image distors 0.02 and dispersio 0.01 and check the fit. In RGB curve, you can set your color. I made some greenish color to liminal space. Your final render will look like that. If you want, you can make some animation. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you later.